Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 388. The word origin today's hiatus. Okay, so we want a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. And we got 4 meanings and 4 uses. Here's the first one. An interruption in time for the continuity of something. So basically it means a break. This is the most common meaning. Usually we hear that somebody has gone on hiatus. They're stopping what they usually do, especially stopping their career or taking a break in some activity that they normally do for a certain period of time. They're taking a hiatus. All right, let's continue. Number 2, a gap or empty space, etc. A missing part. Okay. And number 4, a gap or a hole is in a part of a body or an organ. So if this, there's the anatomy use where something there could be a hole inside your body or an open space inside your body. All right, the term hiatus derives from the Latin word hiare, means to gape or stand open. Gape here means wide open. Even today, we hear someone has a gaping mouth. That's somebody with a really big, wide open mouth. Or gaping wounds. We hear that too. Like in a movie, somebody could have got something cut. Obviously, if it's a gaping wound, they'll definitely need many stitches. Let's continue. In the 1500s, hiatus started to be used for a break or opening. And there is a scientific use in anatomy to mean an opening, rupture, or gap. Okay. And we got 6 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Britney Spears had taken a 3-year hiatus to have 2 children. Yeah, when her career was at her height at the beginning, when she was really on top, she took about 3 years off, had 2 kids, and then she tried to come back, but then she had some problems. She had a nervous breakdown and so on, but that's another story. She did take this period off. That was referred to as a hiatus. George Foreman had taken a 10-year hiatus from boxing and then returned to become the world champion boxer at 45 years of age. That was actually kind of shocking because usually boxers don't come back after they're retired and old. But he came back, became the champion, and then retired again. But he was able to do it. I guess he came back and proved that he could do it, after not boxing for 10 years. All right, let's continue. There was a 2-month hiatus in their negotiations. Yeah, any company, business, governments, maybe they take a break during their negotiations and then they come back later. Number 4, they couldn't find the hiatus of the original document. Now, this is the meaning of the missing part. All right, number 5, the steam was rising from a hiatus on the surface of the ground. This is the part that means a hole. And number 6, they discovered a hiatus hernia on his x-ray. So this is the anatomy part, some part in your body where there's a hole or open space that's not supposed to be there. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.